Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about the difference between OLTP and OLAP. Guys, it's a very important lecture for the purpose of IT officer exam and for UGC net, because previous year in SBI specialist officer 3 to 4 questions are only from OLTP and OLAP. So I think that it is very important lecture for the purpose of IT officer exam and for the purpose of UGC net, apart from your basic exam strategy or your basic course details. Okay, so let's start. Data processing models. Okay, so there are two basic data processing models under data mining. The one is OLTP, and the next one is OLAP. The main aim of OLTP is reliable and efficient processing of a large number of transactions and ensuring data consistency. So ensuring data consistency is very important term here. Okay, so the main aim, what is the aim of OLTP? OLTP's aim is reliable and efficient processing of large number of transactions. Okay, in banking industry, if you see, large number of transaction is going on day by day. In every day, large number of transaction is make. So to ensure the consistency of data there, to reliable that transaction and to process them efficiently, the use of OLTP data processing model is there. Now OLAP, the main aim of OLAP is efficient multidimensional processing of large data volumes. Okay, so to process large data volumes of multidimensional processing, the need of OLAP is there. Okay, so what is multidimensional processing, we will discuss. Now traditional OLTP. Traditionally DBMS have been used for online transaction processing. Okay, so the abbreviation OLTP is for online transaction processing. So DBMS have been used for online transaction processing. Or suppose order entry are there, pull up order XX YY ZZ and update status field. Suppose in DBMS query this type of query is there, then banking will transfer $100 from account X to account Y. Now in under OLTP you should need to process the reliably processing of data with efficiency is required. Okay, so clerical data processing tasks are there. Detailed up to date data means, suppose transaction is going, so if balance is cut from that account, then it should be update from here, or it is reached to that, then it should be update here. So detailed up to date data should be there. Structured and repetitive tasks are common in the OLTP model. Short transactions are the unit of work. Read and update a few records. Isolation, recovery and integrity are critical. Okay, so isolation is there, means data should be independent from other processes. Okay, and recovery of data should be there. Suppose there is a there should be fund, or there should be a transfer of money from this account to this, but if this account should cut the amount but here it is not reached, then there should be very fast recovery should be there. So this kind of operations are processed under the OLTP model. Now OLTP versus OLAP. OLTP is online transaction processing. It describes processing at operational sites. Okay, it describes processing at operational sites. In OLAP is online analytical processing. Okay, online analytical processing, it describes processing at warehouse. So at warehouse site or at data warehouse, OLAP describes the processing, and at operational sites OLTP perform its processing. Okay, so at operational site OLTP will perform, and at a warehousing site OLAP will be performed. Now it's very important, I think direct question should be asked from IBPS IT officer and SBI SO and in UGC net also. So this is a very important, I think you should pause the video and write down this difference and who is the functional user and like that, and you should make a chart in your copy also. Okay, so let's discuss about the difference between OLTP versus OLAP. The users of OLTP is clerk or IT professionals, whereas users of OLAP are knowledge workers. Suppose research workers are also there. The function of OLTP is day-to-day operations. For example, in banking industry, in OLAP it should be in decision support system. For example, in defense or in research laboratories. The database design is application oriented is here, for example SBI anywhere, but in OLAP it should be subject oriented. It depends on the use of that data. Current, up to date, detailed, flat, relational, isolated. So in OLTP current data should be there. Up to date is more required, because in banking industry if up to date is not given, then it should be like somewhat it's not suitable with that. Okay, so up to date data should be required. In OLAP, historical, summarized, multidimensional, integrated and consolidated data should be there. The uses of OLTP is repetitive, whereas OLAP should be ad hoc. Ad hoc means the group of some data should be there. Suppose ad hoc means group of data is there and combinedly you can work all that, or you can research all that. The access of OLTP is to read, write, index hash or prime key, whereas on OLAPs lots of scan should be there, because it's mainly for the research purpose and to organize data suitably. Unit of work is here is short simple transaction, whereas here is complex query should be there, because you have to process the data from the lakhs of terabytes. Okay, so it's complex query should be there. Record access in tens, but in OLAP it's in millions. Users should be here thousands, but here the number of users should be less in OLAP, because it's in under research program. Database size of OLTP should be 100 MB to some GBs, and the OLTP database size is somewhat greater, means 100 GB to somewhat terabytes. Okay, so here is database gathering should be there. The data is here, that the rough data is also there now, so the size is greater. The metric is transaction throughput. Okay, so mainly transaction is there, but here query throughput and response is there in OLAP. So guys, it is the basic difference between OLTP and OLAP. In our upcoming lectures we will more explore this topic under data warehousing. So guys, please subscribe us so that you can get more and more updates from our channel, and please press the bell icon button so that you can get instant notification from our channel whenever we will upload a new content. Thank you so much guys, have a nice day.